Mexico! Yeah!
Well, we got two stops to make. We have our first stop is gonna be to get some wheels and tires put on this Dark Horse, which we don't really show too much, but we have one. The next stop would be going to see Andy again and dropping off some calipers for a customer so he can get them coated and painted for us before we put them on the customer's truck. So it'll be a quick, short, little interesting video. You'll get to see some wheels on this car and see what it does, and have a draggy for it that we'll put somewhere in here, and we'll see if it goes as fast as people think or as slow as people think. Travis, my buddy, owner of Motorworks, also my best man at my wedding, my besties. One of my day zeros, not even day one, just before anything. He always does our higher end wheels and tires whenever Timmy doesn't get them. Timmy usually gets like the welds and the drag packs for us. This one we're not really doing a drag pack because Dark Horse, like the GT350s and the GT500s of the past, have huge brakes and magnetic ride suspension, so their offsets and everything are a little bit different, so I had to order these specifically. So if they look as good as they do on the internet, I think I'll be pretty pleased with them. So initially, whenever they were announced, poor people and regular people were extra hating just because they're like, oh, it's just a regular GT, it's not that special. Well, things have slowly come out that, hey, it has a different crank, it has different rods, it's set up a little bit differently, it has the magnetic ride suspension, the big brakes, as I've already mentioned, the handling package, but it is the Gen 4 5.0 with some upgrades compared to the base GT. So whenever they first were announced, people were marking them up like crazy, and then they actually got here and people marked them up more. And my whole thing was, I told Will, the salesman I deal with at Apple Ford, a good buddy of mine, I bought maybe like 5 or 6 cars from him, and I told him, look dude, you give me a good deal, you give it to me at sticker, we'll make this happen, you got my social, you got my info, you know we're good, let's do it. Said, well, hold on, we got to talk to the GM, blah 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 blah, because he's pretty high up there at the dealership, but most people usually have a boss unless you're me. And yeah, they made it happen for me. The car arrived, I think I ordered in first week of April, and it came in September. And they didn't try to play any games, they just were straight up with it. We knew what the deal was, went and signed it, got it done, and drove it home. Usually they'll deliver the cars to me just because I'm pretty busy and have a hectic lifestyle sometimes. But with this one, I didn't want anybody to put any miles on it, so me and Richard drove up, and you can see that video here. We'll drop that link here. And since then, I've pretty much just been driving this thing on the weekends or whenever it's bad weather. People say, oh, I only drive it in nice weather. No, I drive this one in bad weather because I prefer to keep the black Shelby clean, because it's such a pain to keep clean or to get clean. So if it's raining or if it looks like it's gonna rain, I usually drive this thing. So while it is special, it's not that special. So if I have a choice, I choose my Shelby, but the days that I don't have to move my kids around, or I know it's just gonna be me and whoever from the shop, I just drive this. So a little bit different. Yeah, runs good. All we've done is really headers. We have some clips that we can put on this video or maybe on another separate video where we just kind of see what power it made. But it's a fun little car for what it is. We've already talked to Aldo about doing a kit. I have a whip on order anyways, just to see what's gonna happen. So depending on what comes first, that'll be what this car gets.
Look at those.
Damn.
Bro. Look at those. Rare color my ass. They had extra paint.
Bro. I am offended. It takes a lot for me to get offended. I am very offended right now.
Those Mustangs.
You're about to be walking back to Pasadena.
Those Mustangs are traveling pretty slow.
Yeah. Car meat looking like regular traffic. I know the owner. Do what I want. Nice. What's up, buddy? Are you good?
Can you check out the wheels?
Sure.
He's on test drive.
Okay, that's cool. What did I do? I thought Travis opened one. Oh, he already did.
Looks sick too.
HRE.
Beautiful. How do you feel?
I like them. Travis suggested them. I was over here trying to find other stuff. Like, just get the HREs. They usually have them ready. Sure enough, they did.
Perfect.
So, bells and tires and everything. I guess the rest of the car. Yep. We are at Motorworks. We've been here a couple times before, but now we are here to get some fresh wheels and rubbers on Blue Bean Jr. This is probably one of the nicest set of wheels I have, and I got some nice ones. Don't touch. Oh, now you can actually see the brakes. I'm sure these are lighter than stock. I'll have to weigh it. I'll come get those later. Strap them to the roof.
I even wasn't sure about the color choice.
I wanted something like this. I didn't want anything dark.
I wanted black.
I'm glad you
No
did
more
this
black.
color. I'm glad you did
I don't do black wheels, bro. They look like spares. They look like spares from more than 10 feet away. I'm glad I went with the lighter color. It has plenty of black on it, and I think it really pops with the light blue. That was my thing. I like the way the stock wheels look. They just weren't wide enough, and they were lighter shade or anthracite. I think they're by 10.5 in the back or by 11. It's not easy to impress Travis or to make him happy, so I know he meant it. I was waiting for.
It's on par with an M3. I think so.
I was waiting for him to tell me it's a piece of shit.
How do you feel?
Worth every penny. are now leaving Motorworks. They got it done quickly and efficiently and without messing up the wheels. Pretty happy with the way the car turned out. It looks great. Now it has some nice Michelin's PS1s, I think, I don't know, Pilot Sports, whatever Travis wanted to buy. They're on here, and you know, now the car feels like a little bit more responsive, but it was already great. So we'll see how it feels. We'll get aggressive with it later, maybe when there's not peak traffic time, or maybe when it's not peak traffic time, I should say. Yeah, so we're heading back to the shop, start off our weekend. So, see, what started is, we were like this, okay? This is a simulation of us at Texas 2K, so we were like this, just tearing it up, and then we went, whee, right into the wall.
That is sideways too.
That's how we crossed.
There you go.
There you go.
That's the quickest sideways,
Yeah.
whatever it was.
AI generator, yeah, quickest sideways path, 7-1.
That's one for the boots.
Somebody's boat.
Where's the trophy? We need to enter the sideways class.
If invoices and repair bills count as trophies, I got the most. I got the fucking most.
That is
Make a couple phone books out of those. New wheel gang.
Now I gotta measure for some stuff.
damn.
Decals grinder. Well guys, we are back and we made it back from Motorworks. We're back at my shop. Whew, what a drive. We had a little bit of traffic, but the new wheels look fantastic. I haven't weighed them yet, but they definitely show off the big ass brakes more and definitely busted some necks on the way back to the shop, so I'm pretty happy with them.